Hey everyone, welcome to our latest video where we'll be comparing two of the best air fryers in the market to help you make a decision. In today's video, we'll be comparing the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie and the COSORI Air Fryer Pro. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie is priced at $139, while the COSORI Air Fryer Pro is priced at $99. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro is the more affordable option without compromising on quality. Both products offer multiple cooking functions, but the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie provides more versatility with its air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast options. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro offers 9 one-touch cooking functions, making it more suitable for those who want a simple cooking experience. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie has a larger capacity of 10 liters, making it perfect for family-sized meals or meal prepping large quantities of food. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro has a 5-quart capacity that can fit enough food for 1 to 4 people, making it more suitable for smaller households. Both products are easy to clean, with removable parts that are dishwasher safe. However, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie has a larger drip tray and includes more accessories that may require more time to clean. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie comes with an interior light and an extra-large air fryer oven window, allowing you to monitor your cooking progress easily. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro offers personalized shake reminders and a free V-Sync app that includes over 100 recipes from COSORI R&D chefs. That's all for today's video comparing the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie and the COSORI Air Fryer Pro. Both products have their unique features, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs better. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons.